Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best teenager alarm clock you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many teenager alarm clock and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each teenager alarm clock, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a teenager alarm clock. The first thing to look for is ease of use, because teenagers need a clock that is simple to set and read even when they are half asleep. Next, think about the design and display. A good alarm clock for teens should be modern, durable, and not too bright at night. Sound options are also important, since some teens prefer a gentle wake-up tone while others need a louder alarm. Extra features like USB charging, Bluetooth speakers, or smart controls can make the clock more useful and fun. Finally, always check quality and reliability from trusted brands to ensure long-term use. Choosing the right alarm clock helps teens build better sleep habits and morning routines. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.